Find the sum of all even numbers from 5 to 15 and 5 to 100. 5 to 15 is a very simple and primary level, but 5 to 500 it's little bit complex and higher level. Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are going to solve a problem based on arithmetic sequence. This kinds of problem is very important for Math Olympiad or any competitive examination. Let's start. 5 to 15 even numbers are, so find the all even numbers from, so 5 even numbers of 5 to 15 are 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. The summation is what? Is 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 equals to 50, right? And our first question answer solved. Second, 5 to 50, 5, or we can write even numbers of 5 to 50 are, here is similar, 6, 8, 10, 12, dot 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 500. But this one we cannot make summation this way, 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14. This is not possible to find out the summation of 5 to 500. In this case we have to use a arithmetic sequence which is like a plus n minus 1 times d. This one, how? Here a equals to first term 6, common difference 8 minus 6 equals to 10 minus 8 equals to 12 minus 10, any one, the result is 2. And n term we don't know, so in this case we can write like this. So a plus n minus 1 times d equals to 500. We have to find out the result of n. So a means 6 plus n we don't know, n minus 1, d is a 2, 500. Okay, then 2n minus 2 and here is 6 plus. So 2n, 6 minus 2 means what? Plus 4 equals to 500. And then 2n equals to 500 minus 4. Then 2n equals to 496. Then once you divide both sides by 2, so n equals to 496 divide 2. So what will be the answer? 2, and here is 4, 8, right? So first term is 6, second term is 8, and 248 term is 500. Now we know Sn equals to n divide 2, then 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So summation of Sn, and here is n is 248. So 248 equals to 248 divide 2, then 2 times 6 plus n means what? N means 248 minus 1, and d is a 2. So we can write, or we have to calculate, and in this kinds of math you can use calculator. So first 248 divide 2, and here is 124. 2 times 6 means 12 plus 248 minus 1 is a 247. So 247 times 2, it means 494. So plus 12, here is 124 times 506, and multiply by 124, 506 times 124. The result is 62,744 is a big answer. Okay, now look, our first question answer was 5 to 15 even number summation, which is 50, and here 5 to 500 even number summation is what? 62,744. We have to calculate carefully. Suppose 247 plus 12, it will be, so 248 minus 1, 247 times 2, it will be 495, and plus 12, it will be 506, and times 124, and the result is 62,744. This is very easy math, and for your curiosity purpose we can solve. Suppose 5 to 15, it means 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. How the result become 50? We can find out the result from here. Suppose here n equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A we know is a 6, and d is a common difference, which is 2. So in this case the result we can write like this. N means what? N means 5 divide 2, then 2a, 2 times 6 plus n minus 1, n means 5 minus 1 times d means 2. 5 divide 2, and here is 12 plus 5 minus 1 is a 4, 4 times 2 is a 8. Look, 5 divide 2 times 12 plus 8 become 20, and 20 divide 2 is a 10, 10 times 5 is a 50. Look, by this way we also find out the result, which is 50. Hope you understand this math. This is very important math for competitive examination and math olympiad. If you think this math helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with others. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe the channel.